In this video, I'll be going over how to find the best cheap stocks that pay the highest premium for covered calls and cash secured puts in Thinkorswim. If you're new to covered calls or cash secured puts, I recommend pausing the video and checking out the links in the description. Otherwise, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So you want to start by first logging into Thinkorswim and then going to the scan tab. So you can see that right here in the top bar. Next, what I like to do is I like to come over here to this little icon all the way on the far right, and this will allow you to customize the columns that you're seeing. So if you click on that little icon and then click customize, you'll have this panel open up. And then right here, you want to look up the column IMPL, which is implied volatility. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And if you double click it, it gets added to this column. And then click OK. It adds an implied volatility column right here to your data, as you can see. One of the biggest factors for how much premium you can get is based on the implied volatility. The higher the implied volatility equals the higher the option price, which means more money for selling options. The next thing you want to do is come right over here to sorted by. And I usually like to go to options underlying metrics and then make sure I click on implied volatility and then put it at descending. Basically, that'll just show you the highest option volatility ones up top and then go down from there. Next, on this spot right here in the scan in, we want to pick what stocks we want to scan through. I like to click on this and then go down to public S through W and select weeklies. What weeklies are basically it'll scan through all stocks that have weekly options or options that expire every Friday. So you don't need to necessarily sell long-term options. You could sell weekly options. Once you have all of that set up, you can go ahead and just click scan. And what you'll see is a full list of all the stocks with weekly options ranked by highest volatility. So here we see BBIG as the top of the list with an 871% implied volatility. But again, here we see a lot of stocks that are less than $1. So this is how I usually like to start, but then I like to come right here and click on add filter and then click on stock and then switch this to last. That would be the last stock price. You won't really see much here right now because this is after hours and the market is closed. But what I like to do is I like to set the minimum to $1. So it gets rid of all of these like penny stocks or any stocks less than $1. And for now, we'll just start with a max price of $50. And then you can go ahead and click scan. And now you see a completely different set of stocks here with the scan. Now we have the highest implied volatility stock being NKLA. Nikola Corporation with a 268% implied volatility. And again, a high implied volatility equals higher options price, which equals more money for selling options. Now, in order to change this to look specifically for cheap stocks, we need to think about how much we're willing to spend or risk on covered calls or cash secured puts. So I'm going to jump over to the trade tab really quickly and just walk through a quick example. So for example, if we're willing to spend, let's say $4,000, and when I say spend or risk $4,000, that means we're willing to use up $4,000 of cash. So for example, if you sold a cash secured put right here at the $40 strike price and you got assigned on it, you would need $4,000 or 40, which is the strike price, times 100 in order to be able to purchase the shares. Similarly, for covered calls, if you wanted to buy 100 shares of the stock at the current price, you would need the current stock price times 100 in order to be able to purchase that. So right now you would need $4,172, and then you could sell calls against it. So that's what I think of when I think of how much money am I willing to risk or spend for cash secured puts or covered calls. And now that we understand that, we can go back to the scan tab. So let's say, for example, you're willing to risk or spend $2,000. What you can do is come over here to the max price, change that to $20 because 20 times 100 is 2,000 and each option contract is equal to 100 shares. And then you can go ahead and click scan again. Now what you have is a list of the highest implied volatility stocks that fall within how much you are looking to spend. So in this case, NKLA is still the stock with the highest implied volatility, and it's $3.39. So if you were to sell a cash secured put, let's say at $3, you would do $3 times 100, and you would be risking $300, assuming you got assigned on the cash secured put. But this is a quick and easy way to find stocks that are within your risk tolerance. So let's say you wanted to find something even cheaper. You're only willing to risk $1,000. You can go ahead and put in $10 as the maximum, hit scan, and here you have the full list. And we can see some stocks in this list. We've got Nikola Corporation at the top. We have AMC in there as well. We also have Workhorse Group. We have Open Door Technologies. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and just take one of these examples. Let's take AMC, for example. AMC is currently trading at $4.91. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and switch to the trade tab. Now, if we wanted to sell a cash secured put, we just go ahead and put AMC right here. We have the option chain open. What we could do is we could sell a cash secured put right here for 7 days out at the $4.50 strike price, and we would get $31 or 31 cents times 100, which is $31. And if we got assigned on this position, we would need $450 in order to be able to purchase the shares. So this trade right here is about a 7% trade. So you would get $31, but you're risking $450 in some sense. That's about a 7% gain. And this is my custom script. If you're interested in this, check out the link in the description. On the covered call side, what you could do is you could buy 100 shares at the current price. So you could spend $491, which again is still below your risk tolerance, and then sell a covered call right at the $5 strike price and get $33. Now, what we'll do is we'll look at another example on the scan tab. So let's say you're not interested in these really low price stocks and you want to have something closer to what you're willing to risk. You're willing to risk $1,000 or spend up to $1,000. So let's say you put in, let's say $8 as your minimum price. Let's keep your max price as 10, and then you hit scan. Here you have a much smaller list, but you can see all of these stocks are greater than $8 and less than $10, and it's ranked them by the highest implied volatility. So let's go ahead and look at this first one, NVAX. We switch back to the trade tab, type in NVAX, and now we have the option chain. And because this has a high implied volatility, the premiums are pretty good and pretty high on this. Let's say we take the $7 strike price, cash secured put, you would get 30 cents, just looking at the low end here, which is about 4.64%, which is a pretty solid percent to be able to make in 7 days. And then similarly on the covered call side, if you wanted to buy 100 shares and then sell a call against it, you could purchase 100 shares and that would cost you $823. And then you could go ahead and sell a call at the $8.50 strike price and get $60 against it. So this was basically a walkthrough of how to find cheap stocks that fall within your risk or spending limits for cash secured puts and covered calls. Again, a high implied volatility means a higher option price, which equals more premium when you're selling the option. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.